Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto trace an image in Adobe Illustrator. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new file. Simply open the picture you want to trace, and I have opened a picture in front of you. As you can see, it's a low resolution image, so let's fix it. Look at the top and you will see an option called image trace. Select the picture and click on it. As you can see, our image tracing is done. Now if you want to fill the same colors, just open the image trace panel. At the top there is an option called high color. Click on it, and as you can see, the color has been filled as well, but we need to adjust it a bit. There is a slider at the bottom. Simply move it down to 0 or 1. At the top, there will be an option to expand. Click on it and remove the picture along with the background. And as you can see, our file is ready now. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to auto trace an image in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.